Dati. Polo 2008. Replace coupe fan. They have a noise and they have a bearing. It's out of space. This is new, so if you want to replace, you have first here one big plastic. You need to remove that plastic. They have so screw here, there to can remove. They have one pin plastic saw, and I think you have here. So there you have 4 screw for the glove box. There is 3 screw, and down inside it's 1, 3, 4 screw for the fan to open up, to put it out, and they go down. You have 2 connections, one it's plus minus, another is motor stone, I think, or I don't know that, for the speed, and this is airbag. Be careful, put out the contact key to don't airbag and then you're gonna have a damage, fuck. So it's not so much screw, 1 million, but what is 1 million today? Nothing. So have a nice day. If you want something to ask, no problem, I'm here to help people to fight of this global criminal organization. They now solved everything is shit. Nothing is good anymore. Quality 0, not 0, minus 100, 0, million, 0, minus fucking shit.